Hey everyone, this is Mr. Whitaker coming to you live through the power of technology. And this is the second lesson in a series on how to use Google Sheets. Well, first off, you can see that this is not Google Sheets. I wanted to spend at least a minute talking about end user experience on a website. So end user experience is how well the site performs and acts for the end user. And the end user is the person who's going to use your website. And Facebook is a pretty big name. And this is facebook.com. If you've ever logged out of Facebook or go to it in incognito mode like I have, this is what the login page looks like. So you see what Facebook is about here in three short little bullet points. You see sign up is quick and easy and a place for you to put your email and password to log in, and that's it. This is a very clean way of ensuring that your end user can get to where they want. So when you're designing your website, you want the end user to be able to get to wherever they want to go within 3 clicks. So let's go back to our launch page. So when you log into GNSPS, this is the screen you're going to click or go to. Then you're going to go to Sites. When you go to Sites, you are going to load up all the sites that you currently have. As you can see, I have people who have shared sites with me. I'm going to click on my Mr. Whitaker one here, my template, and we're going to open that up. And today we are going to be making a brand new page. Now, I don't have any more pages except for just my main page here. So I'm going to click on Pages, and I'm going to click the plus button. Now, with Pages, you can either add a link or a new page. I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to call this About Me. Now, when you're building out a business web page, it would be about us. Or company info. We can click on the advanced tab. We can actually put in a custom path here if we want. We don't. Just let Google handle that. And immediately we are taken to our About Me page. And as you can see up here in our navigation, Google adds it to our navigation as well. If you want to change the way that your navigation looks, simply click on the cog over here and you can actually change it to side. So that means it's going to come in on the side here. But I do like the classical standard top way of doing a navigation menu. So now with the About Me page, we can start adding elements within this page. So I'm going to click on Insert, and we can do a text box, images, embed, or something from Drive. Embed code we'll get to a little bit later, but that actually allows you to embed things like a Facebook feed or a Twitter feed or an Instagram feed or things like that, or allows us to do our own coding with HTML. I'm going to go in the layouts here because the project is for you guys and girls to submit 3 things about you. So it can either be 3 pieces of portfolio work, it could be 3 pieces of information about you, however you want. So I'm going to start off with this layout here, which is an image on the left and some text on the right. And the first thing about me, I'm going to select an image. I'm not going to upload. I'm going to do a Google search here for chicken wings because chicken wings are my absolute favorite food. And okay, I like this picture here. I'm going to insert it. So the first thing about me is chicken wings. Oops. Chicken wings. There we go. All right. So I love eating chicken wings. I even like making my own. And I do. In fact, we just had some this past weekend. So of course I can add some more text here about this particular thing. But as you can see, I've got a nice picture and I've got some chicken wings there. And now with the layout, I can duplicate this. So if we find that this layout is very good, and if we adjust some of the things here, move the images over or adjust the background or stuff, we can duplicate it. But I want to add in this section where we have these 2 images at the top. So I'm going to select another image and I'm going to type in the moon, because the other piece of information I love people, or that I like people to know about me, is that I am a space fanatic. I absolutely love outer space. I love looking at the stars. And that's true. I absolutely love going out and looking at the stars, though, of course, this image might be a little bit misleading if I say I love looking at the stars and it's a picture of the moon, but hopefully people will get that. And the last thing that I sort of like people to know about me is that I love gardening. I grew up on a farm, so I have planted lots and lots and lots of vegetables in my time, and I've also worked in the garden. So I like to garden. Gardening is a lot of fun to do. You can grow all kinds of things. All right, so there, I've added some text about gardening, and now I have 3 pieces of information about me. So this is how we can start developing a web page very, very quickly with the Google layouts. And if I don't like something here, I can actually go into these boxes and I can actually delete them, which would then push this box to the full width over. So you do have a lot of control over what you can, and you can even duplicate these things inside here. So there's a couple of different layouts that you can choose from here. I really like the image and the text layout. Of course, all of this stuff you can customize with your heading, the title, subheading, and colors and all that stuff. So go ahead and make your pages creative. The task for this week is to create an About Me page with 3 things about you. Now, it could be 3 things like I've done here. Like these are just my personal interest things. If you have a website that you have built or a project that you've built in the TAP class that you're really proud of, that you would like to showcase, this would be a great place. Like I build websites as my side business, so I could add in very easily a screen capture of my business and something to talk about that business. So it doesn't have to be specific things about your personal life. It could also be projects that you've worked on. For example, the presentation there that we gave to town hall. You could add the picture here, TAP Kids present to town hall, and a little blurb on what it is that you actually did for that presentation. Or a picture of a TAP project that you've done, like building the computers. I built my own computer, and then a little blurb about what you did. So it doesn't have to be personal things like I've included here. Could be whatever you want. Of course, when you get the About Me page all looking the way that you want, don't forget to hit the publish so that it goes live. And I'm going to publish this now so that it all saves. And there we go. So now when people go to my Mr. Whitaker page, they can see my About Me. Of course, if you have any questions, don't forget to ask. Thank you and have a wonderful day.